There's a spear gun there, but I don't know if I'm I'll be going back there on Friday.
It's funny, eh? The chicken on the hut. I mean, of course, it doesn't turn very nicely because it's in the evening, you understand? It is around 7 o'clock. Hello, we came here to the northern part of the country, the very tip, northern part of your island, Abemama Island, and you are the airport officer I'm staying with. Thank you very much for your invitation. Since I'm staying now with all the airport officer and I love it, I like to stay with local people. Now, we see this lovely bay over there, and now it is low tide as we see, right? Elias, you speak into the microphone. We see it on the screen, all right? Please be so kind. So what? This is complete low tide, is it right?
Yes.
What's the time now? What's the time now?
It's now 20 to 10.
20 to 10.
20 to 10.
In the morning.
In the morning.
Yes?
Yes.
And this is complete low tide. But you said that high tide will coming in soon? Have a look. Will be high tide coming in?
High tide, I think, is coming in now. And high tide will come to its height around about 12 o'clock.
I see. Now, this bay is lovely, isn't it? And the sand is like sugar. And what is this ship over there? It has stranded. When was it?
I stranded a few years ago.
A few years ago.
Yeah.
And this was belonging to what? To a company, private company?
Yes, to the Compass Rose and the prices.
Was it Kiribatis?
Now there are some owners who I know one, Brian.
Oh, I see. Lovely.
Yes.
I like it's a very nice, lovely. Now I just make a little bit round. Yeah. Just go round. See, we see the complete low tide, and you see that you can walk quite far away, can't you? Huh?
You can walk near the breakers there.
Now at the other part of the northern part, this is a very tip also, and we see in front a stranded timber, right?
Yes.
And you told me yesterday that out of this you make the dugouts for the boats, for the small canoes. Is that right?
That's right.
Yeah.
We have no about 100 or more than 100 people living
More than 100 people.
on the island.
I see. Lovely. Now this, you want to add something? How many people are living here on Abemama? Just look into the camera.
I think that it's about more than 2,000 people are living on Abemama.
More than 2,000 people living on Abemama.
Yes, I see. The last census, 1974.
74. See, because with our other friend, the airport officer, his last name was Eria, yeah? But I always called him Elias, yeah? For the first name. And his first name is different, right? What's his first name again?
First name on the agent in Abayang, you mean, is Murataka area.
Murataka.
Yeah.
And Eria last name.
Yes.
Your first name is Eria, and your last name is what?
It's Naurua.
Naulua.
Yeah.
Ah, I see now. Thank you very much. We have got another small island. What's the name? Just speak up a little bit. How much wind?
Crab Island,
Yes.
a small island over there.
Yes.
It's called Big.
Big. And if we go to the right, we see the other island again. What was the name again?
The name is Abesu. The name of yes, the other island we see before.
What's the name again?
Abesu. The name is Abesu.
Abesu.
Abesiku.
Abesiku. Ah, I see. You know, it's very windy this morning, and I just will zoom the island a little bit. What do you want to say about this island? What is it?
The island.
Yes, over there.
The island of Big.
Okay, yeah.
Mainly, there are people on it, but are living.
Just a couple.
A few houses on the island.
I
But
see.
they don't live permanently there.
I see. Just for coconuts or what?
Or fishing.
Or fishing.
Yeah. Because
Right.
a lot of fish can be seen on the island there, around the
Yes.
island.
Many fishes, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. My dear friend, this was your little interview this morning, and we hope to see you a lot this afternoon, alright? Thank you very much, my friend.
Okay.
Now, this is a crab, as we see. What kind of crab is this?
It is the beach
Because it's, yeah,
beach crab.
the beach crab.
Yeah.
And it goes inside too, and how it lives or what? Because this is funny color, isn't it?
Yes, lady. This kind of crabs,
Yeah.
they are holes in the beach.
They make these big holes in the beach.
Yeah. And
I see.
hide themselves inside.
Yes.
Very many.
There are many.
Yeah, they
This
are
is,
common,
yeah.
common crabs.
Can you show maybe the eyes or what? Just show.
These are the eyes,
Oh, I see.
and
What were the eyes? That it can move. Yeah, these are the eyes.
the
On
eyes
the
are
top,
here.
Yeah. I see. Yeah. It's funny how it moves. Yeah. Very good.
They are moving eyes.
Yes. Lovely. Oh, how it moves. Yeah.
And these are the
Yes.
teeth.
Which one?
These two, one big one, and
Oh, the big one. Yes. Yes.
it
And
bites.
it bites.
It
Can
bites its prey with
prey. Yes.
with this one,
Yes.
and
With the right one.
with the right one,
Yes.
and take it into its stomach with this one.
Oh, and with the left one
With-
it eats.
Yeah.
Puts it into the mouth.
Yes.
Lovely, yes.
Yeah, it's the mouth inside.
And you see underneath they have this very strong nails, yeah, that they can keep on the rocks, right?
Yes.
They can stay on the rocks.
They walk on the rocks.
Yes.
also.
Even though the water comes, they cannot skid,
No,
because
they
have
hold.
very strong nails. It's incredible.
And they use this to dig holes.
Yes. Which one they use?
These small, these thin.
Oh, the thin things.
Thin things.
They use it to dig the hole.
To dig the holes.
Oh, lovely. It's good that you explain a little bit, that the people understand much better, you know. This is the mouth, yeah?
Yes, the mouth.
You just have taken away the
teeth.
The two teeth.
Yeah.
Of it. And where have we got the eyes? We don't see the eyes. Yeah,
the
turn
eyes.
it. This doesn't matter. Oh, the eyes are this, as we see. Very lovely. Yes. Very nice pictures. So, just leave it like this. No, maybe that it moves a little bit. The mouth. Just close the mouth. Let me see what it is doing with the mouth. And you said that the teeth are going to grow again, right?
Yes.
It's not going to die now for this.
No, it can walk again.
Walk again.
And regrow the.
Yes. And show it please from the top. Yes. No, this is the color from the top. Yeah.
I think that there are different patterns on the top.
Yeah. Many kinds of patterns, aren't they?
I think so.
Yes. And from the underneath. And this is the back side.
Yes, this is the underneath side of the.
Yes.
And from here,
It's a male or female?
this one,
It has something.
it's male.
It's a male because it has
Because
something.
yes, because it at the sign of the male have thin cuts like this.
Oh, thin cuts.
Mm.
And it has also something underneath.
Yeah, and broader. How do you call this?
Yeah, backside, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely, yes. Thank you very much for the holes, yeah, they are making. And you see the sand beneath or beside the hole, and you say you see many of them, yeah? No. This is the next, no. Let me see. This is the next one, huh? Yes. I've got the next one. So many, every time all the same. They hide how long? I mean, they just hide until high tide comes in, or what? The sand crab?
Sometimes when a high tide comes in, and
Yeah.
and these crabs may go out or will stay inside
Yeah.
and covered with sand again.
Or they cover themselves with the sand again.
Yeah.
And then they wait until the water recedes again, and they stay under in this hut or in this house, yeah? Is it right?
Yes, but they just has to open again the holes,
Yeah?
and they dig up the sand closing at the holes,
Yeah?
and then you can see again that heaps of sand like this
Yes?
will appear on the next low tide.
On the next low tide.
Yeah.
So they, as I understand, when high tide comes in, they will stay in this house. Is it right?
Either they stay or go out.
Or
you
go
will
out.
see. You will see some running.
Running, yes.
And
And where do they stay? They just stay in the ground.
stay in the ground.
But they can live either on the beach, either in the water, right?
Yeah.
They have how do they breathe under the water? Or they always must come out for breathing. Air, you know, they need air or oxygen. You understand?
Yes, I think they need only a little oxygen.
Oxygen.
Mm.
So they can stay very long in the water.
They can stay very long in the water,
Oh, I see.
but they have to return
They
out
must
of the
return
water.
because no. Now I'm here still on the beach, and I want to go on down to this reef where the breaking waves are. Just right over there, maybe half a mile. As I said, I just want to go down to the breakers. Just wanted to show you how lovely palms we have here. And this is where the ship is. The ship which was stranded. The ship compass rose. And this is again the wonderful palm trees from the northern part of this Abemama Island. Now down to Mangrove tree, just one single one, which is in the middle of this coral plateau, and as we can see, there is only one. Yes, and by nature there are these limestone roads, as we can see over there and down there, and I'm going down this limestone way down to the almost at the end of this natural limestone or coral rock way. And as we can see, there are two ways, one on the left, one here on the right. The ocean side, the lagoon side is different. Inside it is over to the left. We've got over there the other island. This is too far away to show. Now we go back the other side because the sun is just behind me. We see again our lovely beach. So this is the lovely beach in the north. Lots of wind here. The ship again. How it looks like in a palm tree wood. Looks like this. As we see, this is a young coconut, and underneath this is the strainer for everything to strain coconut juice or anything. They use it always as a strainer. In the ship. Lovely young coconuts. I'm drinking every day. They are not older than 2 or 3 months. They must at all not being older than 6 months, otherwise no more good. And with 9 months they turn brown or darkened and they fall down, as we see here. These are the green coconuts and the young ones. I love to drink every day. Every day I drink bird, which is always on these on the seaside and living on the coconut trees. Now you have pushed already, Elias.
Yeah.
How do you feel? You are the first time holding a VD camera.
It's new to me,
Yes, it's very new to you, right?
but okay, you'll
And,
see.
as all the people see, I'm here in the Kiribati already 19 days, and for 2 weeks I did not shave. And I think you see it very well, isn't it? Huh? You
Yeah.
see very well that I didn't shave.
That
Now
shows
this is also the first time in my life I didn't shave for so long, but I just wanted to know how I'm looking after 2 weeks not shaving, right? We see now this is the very place we have been this morning, and this is now 4 hours later. Okay?
Okay.
Now, Elias, we are at the same position we have been this morning 4 hours earlier. And as we see, over there we see already the high tide, and you call it nip tide, right?
Yeah.
Because you said this is a small tide because we don't have full moon. What is it?
Yeah, not full moon yet.
Not full moon yet. Because as we know, the high tide and low tide depends upon the attraction of the moon.
Yeah.
And the grade of attraction of the moon depends upon the phases of the moon, whether it is full moon, half moon, quarter moon or 3/4 moon, right? We might have only a quarter moon. That's why the attraction is low, and between high and low tide we have got only maybe 20 or 20 centimeters, right?
Mm.
Is it correct?
Yes, correct.
Yes. And I wanted to say that normally the normal difference between high and low tide it's up to 1.50 meters, 1.5 meters, right? Is it correct, Elia?
Between which tide? Low
Between
and...
the low and high tide, there is a difference like that. Something. Now this is a lava. I bought just recently from the Kiribati store in
Vairiki.
And how to put it on is like this, so easy, like this and this. So this is how the people go, yeah, here. And I like also to go like this. All right. And just go on like this. And I'm coming back. So, all right. Just to show a little bit. This is a nice sand. This is like sugar, huh?
Yes.
Sugar sand. And I love it. This is the northern part here of the island. All right.
Yes.
Okay, Elia, we walk over this side, which is the tongue of between this bay and of the tongue of the northern part. Now we see again our beautiful bay, and then this is just splitting here, right? And then you go over to the lagoon. Goes down maybe 20 miles, something like 20 miles, a little bit in the lagoon, and as we can see, I make the roundabout. We see all these coconut trees till the tip. Right on the beach, on the inside lagoon, and since today is Sunday, everybody is on its way, yeah? They walk or what? Huh? Now this is the inner lagoon and this is just going north. The other end of this beach we have been. The plane has got here. All his gear.
Yeah, what's this?
Yes, over there. This is the lagoon. Ria, as I see, she is the wife of our fisherman, right? Of our nice fisherman.
Yes.
And what is she doing? As I see, there is breadfruit in the pot, right? She has cooked it already? The breadfruit?
Yes, this one's have been cooked already.
And what is she doing? She is peeling it, as I see.
Yes, she cut off the skin of the fruit.
Yes.
And then
there, this is the fireplace. Yeah. We see here in front the breadfruit, the cooked breadfruit. Then on the left we see some pandanus. She used it as a spice or what? And over there, this is the fire with the pot, and already the breadfruit is in, yeah? And they take this fire, they make fire with the coconut husk, is it right? Huh?
Yeah, correct.
They're adding some clams, yeah?
Breadfruit and shellfish.
Breadfruit and shellfish.
Yeah.
What do you say, shellfish?
You know
with
the
clams?
Not clams.
Oh,
Clams are
shell,
big.
I see. Oh, this is a small shells, yeah? Small shells.
small cells. They are dug in the beach.
All right. They're eating, and the other one is eating too. The other side of the island, in the very southern part, and we see all the herons waiting for the fishes to come up with the high tide. They don't move. Elias, maybe you make some, if they go, would be nice. Just make, just do something, Elias, that they maybe go, fly. Yeah, just do it, there are more. Yeah, lovely. Yes, lovely. All coming back. Anyhow, they're only... But many herons, yeah? Black and white, huh, Elias? Huh, Elia?
There are some. But yes, because they can find...
Just make a movement again that they fly away. Just do something. I just hold it here. There's so many. They're not afraid, huh? It's really funny, huh? It's okay. Again, this is
big.
Big. And when it's low tide, you can walk over, right?
Yes.
That's it.
You can walk over the reef, over the near the breakers.
Place, yes. And it's quite far, maybe 1 or 2 kilometers, right?
Yes, it's quite far.
Yes. Okay, towards the end where we have been yesterday, yeah, towards the other end of the lagoon, then I turn around a little bit just to show the landscape and the nice lagoon. We just went down here, kilometers,
yes,
and we went down here on bike. The whole lagoon now, as we see, very clear. Lovely small fisher boat. This is just the very last island, right?
Yes.
How many islands we had? How many footbridge passages? 2 footbridges and 2 other passages, right? Something like this.
Yes, we crossed 2 footbridges.
Nice view also from here. Island over there with a small fisherman's boat. lagoon. Little hut with its families here at the lagoon. All the people, yeah, they can, you can say something, you can do something or what? Yeah. Yeah, lovely. Hey, this is good. Lovely. It's a boy or a girl? A girl. Because you can't see it from here. It's lovely. They get a lot of fish here? No? Much fish? From the passage, yeah? From the passage. Huh?
Yes, from the passage.
From the passage, yeah? They get... Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, this is a nice hut, isn't it? Huh? And here with the lagoon. They like to live here, yeah? This is a nice place, isn't it? Huh? Yeah.
They like it.
Yes, all alone, yeah? Yeah. So many coconuts here. And you said sometimes you can get on a bunch 200, right?
Yes, the small ones.
Yeah. So many, look at this.
There's nearly more than 20 in a bunch.
More than 20 in a bunch, yeah? We go down again. Go on. He's going to pick up some coconuts for us. Look how high he is. Ooh, he's going very high. Turning. Right, one. He's turning the coconut. 2. These are the 2 for me. Three, 1 for you. 4. That's all. Thank you. Lovely. He's incredible, this boy. Oh, lovely. Yes. To see what is going on. Oh, these are the 4 coconuts, huh? Now the young coconuts, 2-3 months old. Alright. Okay, now what he's doing. Yeah. Couldn't open, huh? Lovely. Another one? We should open another one. Did I see? Very good.
You take this
Yeah.
one?
Lovely, yeah. I want, to show how they open, yeah. Now open full
Okay, one gonna right.
and show how it looks like. This looks like, and you see a spoon. Now we just take from the bark. You just cut and you make 1 spoon for me. This is a coconut spoon.
Another one.
Okay. And we arrive at the first passage, which is bound or put together with the next island through a footbridge, which is made out of these wood from this kind of tree, because it's easy to get, as we see here. And just very close we have the whole footbridge made out of this stuff. We just go down, and this is the other end of the footbridge, as we see. Side, and if I go over the other side, the lagoon side, this is then the lagoon side, and there is a lot of fish here, right? Elia, there is a lot of fish here to get. In the middle of the bridge, lagoon side. We're going down the bridge to the footbridge, and then we see Elia. This is our motorcycle. He's coming. Is it hard to push here, Elia? Is it hard to push?
No, it's easy.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Anyhow, this is a nice bridge. I like it. It's a very. And when did they build these bridges? There are a couple of these, huh?
They have just renewed it. This timber for crossing.
Oh, I see. Maybe a couple of years ago, 2 years ago, they
maybe.
started. You
Yes.
said.
They might have started it since 2 years ago.
Okay. Have a look on the other side. Again. I go down, with the objective. Otherwise, you see too much. Show all around, yeah. What you see, right? Okay. Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they are not, but still it's strong. It's enough to go on foot and on motorbike, right? Huh? Area, fisherman's hut. Yeah, a very small one, and he might be living all alone. That's all. Nothing else. And we go around. This is the lagoon side, and the little island where we're coming from. Right? This is the island, because this is the passage, the other side of the passage. Is it right? Mangrove's down there, yeah? And this one?
Yes,
What is this one?
This one is Tinger.
Tinga.
thing here.
What do you do with this?
Uh,
You don't use it or what?
we use them for supporting our walls, our
Yeah.
house walls, and also for eel traps.
Yes. Oh, for traps, yeah?
Yeah.
For the eel. See, this is lovely, this mangrove, yeah? In the middle of the salty water, yeah? Now, we go back to the same beach, and then we see here on the right just a couple of these. So many here. Full of these mangroves, yeah? Full. Lovely. Again, how lovely it is. On this side. These roots of the mangroves. Very special. House we see here. Underneath he has got his boat, and on the top he's living, yeah? Huh?
Sure.
It's funny, isn't it?
Yes,
But there are not so many. There are maybe just one or two. We see underneath his
this sort of houses here is rare
yeah.
on this island.
Yes. Oh, this is lovely, isn't it? Yeah, it's okay. It doesn't matter. They can play. Doesn't matter. And underneath he has got his boat.
Yes, he uses now.
He sails, yeah. It's very high, isn't it? Maybe 2 meters. How do they go up?
There's the ladder there.
Where,
By
on the other side?
Yeah.
Oh, they've got a ladder on the other side, I see. Anyhow, tell them, huge breadfruit tree. And underneath they have got a boat, yeah? As I see.
Seems a new boat. Hmm?
Yeah. Doing, these two women.
They are collecting pandanus leaves as part of their preparation to make mats.
I see. Can she turn a little bit on the other side? On the left?
On the left?
Like this side? No, no. That the
Okay,
sun
what then?
is in her. Yes, lovely. Yeah, good. Lovely, yes. Yes, very good. And what are they doing? They are doing pandanus mats. Yeah?
They are, but they will do mats later.
Later.
Yeah.
They must dry it first.
They dry it
Right.
first, and then they crushed it,
Oh, they crush it.
and then they stripe it, and after that they start weaving.
Yes. Oh, she was a beautiful woman. You see it in her face, yeah?
Yeah.
You tell her that I told her the footbridge, and it is full of mangroves. The passage is full of mangroves, as we see here. our friend is coming again. Now this is the other part towards the lagoon. One moment, stand there, stand there. Yes, and our friend Elia is coming back again. Come on, Elia. This is more easy, yeah, than the other way, yeah.
It's easier than the other one we left.
He's going to cut the mangrove timber, and he's making out of this what? What is he doing? He's peeling it from the bark, and these are used for what?
They are used for houses.
For houses, but also
for fencing.
For fencing, for those fences around the houses. I see.
Make it.
There?
Make it.
Come to again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a nice picture, yeah. And this mangrove timber is strong, yeah.
Yeah, stronger than Tauri or other, because it's strong. It's hard, a hard one.
It's a hard one. Do you make out of this also something else?
I don't think so. It's only the for building houses and
Only for building houses.
yes, and for making fences.
And for making fences.
Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much. At almost the end of 2 islands, and before we are passing the footbridge, we are showing you how it looks like. Looks very nice here, and the footbridge is just over there, and we are crossing it in a moment. Anyhow, this is a lovely landscape, isn't it? Yeah, this looks very lovely. And the sand is white sugar, the footbridge, as I told you. This is lovely here. And as we can see, there are lovely huts down there. We were standing on the other side, and I was looking towards this footbridge, the side. Everywhere mangroves, and of course this is a nice fishing ground for the people. They get a lot of fish here. The water just runs through from one side to another, from the ocean side into the lagoon side to down. What have they done here? They have just burnt down almost all the coconut wood. How comes? How come? Huh?
I think that
By mistake or
yes, it's an accident.
what? It's an accident.
Yes.
They wanted just to burn down these green bushes, and by mistake they have burned down. It looks like in a moonscape film, yeah. Isn't it funny, yeah? It's funny, yeah. Anyhow, okay, let's go on, yeah. What did you want to say?
I just want to say that these are the new trees. Just to work, just the scheme from the agricultural department.
Oh,
It's part of their scheme here.
oh, imagine.
And now they have
Inspe-
destroyed it with fire.
Yeah, but you think that the coconut trees don't carry more coconuts?
Uh,
You mean that they are all dead?
I think that some of these will die, and
Some of them will die.
some of them will grow again, will have green leaves again. But they might fall easily
Yes.
because their stem had burns.
On Causeway, and we see Eria pushing his bike through this rough stones. The causeway is not ready, and this is one part. So I can still make the picture of Mount Tebanga Primary School, and we see some works of art of the school children. What's the age of the school children?
13.
Between what? What's their age?
12.
12? No.
Between 12 and 13.
Yes. Between 12 and 13. You see? Lovely. Blackboard, more or less. Maybe it's not very clear, but it's alright. It's lovely now. Yeah, very nice colors. We've got another one. And these are shells or what? They put some shells and then painted these shells. This is a fish, yeah, as I see. Maybe hibiscus. Lovely. And this is a fish again. Lovely, yeah. Yeah, it's good. See you. You're not bad. Or is it another palm tree or banana tree? This is a banana tree? Oh, a bird. They're making a bird. A cat. Oh, yes. And this one? What is this? A star. And this? Butterfly. This is another butterfly or what?
The sailing canoe.
Sailing canoe. Oh, the Gilbert is sailing canoe. Lovely. They have put something else. What is this stuff?
Paper.
Paper. Just rolled it and cut it. And here's put even down something. And what is this? Is it a bird or what? Eagle. A canoe again? Canoe again. So many different canoes. Pictured by, right? By Punyami Masisi. Yeah. Salantis. Yeah. And then? Salantis. I see. It's always the name. And this is just a ball, huh? Teachers, as we see. And there we see all the works of art. But the children are going to school when? From the morning till the evening or what?
From 8
From 8 till?
to 1:30.
To 1:30. I see. Okay, thank you very much. Kouaki Primary School. And we have got here the teachers belonging to the school. We've got 5 teachers, right? Yes, lovely. This is one teacher. Second one. Yes, lovely with the flowers. Yeah, it's lovely. He's the director, yeah? He's the director of the school. He's the assistant director. Managing director is the other one. He's the assistant director. It's all right. We just have a lot of fun. This is what is important. Yeah, lovely. 3 teachers. 3 teachers. We've got 4. And the other one with a lovely little girl. Is it yours?
Yeah.
Little girl. We want to focus you with your little lovely hair. This lovely painting was done by a pupil, class 7, you said.
Yes.
How old was he or she?
13 years.
13 years old. And this, yeah, it shows, as we see, maybe a village, yeah, under palm trees and the herons and the bicycle. Just a typical for a village like this, yeah. Lovely. Thank you very much. And this is the village of Tebanga, yeah? The village of Tebanga.
Yes.
How many people are living here? 300. I see. And this was a school, as we have seen. Elia, this is the main road here on Abemama, right? And we are almost from down south. Maybe we came almost up to the middle, almost.
Yes, we are coming to the middle.
We are only having one passage, right?
Only one page is ahead
Yes.
of us.
And so this is the main road, the highway of Abemama, right? And this is almost like this, more or less. Just want to show the many coconut trees around the edge towards the north, isn't it? Yeah. And this is a bridge. Let's say this is like a bridge, huh?
Yes, it is.
And this over there, this is a stilt house, and it belongs to the hotel, to the only one hotel. Yeah?
Yes.
So I just go over there to the stilt house. So it's made on stilts. We've got their boat. Yeah, lovely. The whole view. This towards the ocean is the ocean side. And this is towards the lagoon, and this is as we see, they've got all. We have arrived at a very important and very strange place. Now this big piece of what can we call stone is nothing else but the only tomb or grave of the king of Abemama. Now the kingdom of Abemama is a very old one, and To the kingdom of Abemama were belonging the islands, of course, Abemama, the atoll of Abemama, the atoll of Aranuka, which is very close, and the very close islands of Kuria. Now, this kingdom has ceased at the moment when the British voyagers came and the British government took over the Gilbert Islands. Was it like this?
Yes, that was true.
This was almost 80 years ago, around 1900, wasn't it?
Yes.
But as we know from this book, A Pattern of Ireland, the British cadet, I'm still reading this book. What's his name? Arthur
Grumble.
Grimble. Arthur Grumble or Grimble came 1914. Now I'm not that sure whether he has found still the king of Abemama or not. So do you know something about this?
As I know, the kingdom of Abemama ceased since that time when the British first arrived and take over the Gilbert Islands.
Yes.
And no more kingdom of Abemama. So those two islands, Kuria and Aranuka, were under the kingdom of Abemama.
Of Abemama.
But at these times, no more kingdom.
Okay, and you said that this king which is who is buried here under these stones, this was his village, and he was the king who preferred to change the village, because normally the kings of Abemama, maybe 1,000 years old, the kingdom, yeah, preferred to stay where?
In Tebanga village.
In Tebanga village, where we just have been.
Yeah,
By
where
the way,
school is.
yeah, where the school was.
Yeah, where the school was.
And I forgot to say about the school that there were 5 teachers and 150 children. Yeah, right?
Yes.
Anyhow, this was just furthermore I wanted to say. Now, anything else you wanted to say about the kingdom of Abemama?
And nothing else I can say.
Now,
about
this
it.
king, what was his name, by the way?
This king was Pinoka.
Pinoka.
Yeah.
The name of this king was Pinoka, and he preferred to stay in this village, which belonged to the northern island, right?
Yes.
To the northern part of Abemama, while the others were staying in the southern part of Abemama. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Other side of the tomb, which looks a little bit nicer. And what do you think? When did he die? Maybe
at the beginning of the 19th century.
Yeah, maybe. This is your mother, yeah? She's still lovely looking, yeah? I tell you, what is her age?
74.
Oh, lovely. 74. Can't say anything yet. She's really good, huh? Still good, huh? And she's got a fan out of pandanus.
Coconut young leaves.
Yes, I see.
Coconut young leaves.
Yes. You tell her that she can talk to you. She doesn't need to look into the camera. No? Yeah, she doesn't need to look into the camera. She likes to look into the camera.
Yeah. Bayaan is banam do ya de menari.
Ano yang ko? Yan lang kakara ka wanang ka.
Ano ko dada nga.
Yes.
Angam ko ra.
Kaya agay wa ko ni kay.
Ako tani mai.
What did she say? What did she say?
Ngakiwa ko ni kayaw ko rin. Matuwain no. Magyan ako ni Magut.
Yeah, here in your village, you know, of your mother, as we have seen her already. And this is a papaw tree, which has his roots down, you know, a branch down on the floor, yeah, and it bears 2 papaws already. Papaya, you call it papaya. And here we have the daughter of your sister, right? Huh?
Yes.
Hey, come on, yeah, now, yeah. And she is your sister? No, she's not your sister. She's your sister?
No, she's my niece.
She's your niece, right. Okay, she should smile a little bit. Now she can't smile anymore. It's funny, yeah? I thought you could smile. She cannot smile anymore? She forgot to smile, eh? We've got another one, yeah? The other smiles at least, yeah? Lovely.
Yes, that's her sister.
Yeah, yeah.
Different
This is her
fathers.
sister. Yeah, I see. Yeah, lovely. Why? They're lovely, aren't they? She should say something. Can't she say something?
Irawan na makain na si.
Ito wala taon.
Ito na tapon.
Yeah.
Ay, anda yara.
She should say something. Don't open your mouth, just say.
Agad ba kon sira?
She does not know anymore what to do.
No dia question.
Come on, laugh, say something, do something. Huh? Yeah, lovely. Okay, we have a look. We have a look on the tape. And the other one, she's also lovely. The other one. Yeah, all 3 are lovely girls. Yes. What is her? The 2. We've got two lovely girls. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Koraba. She doesn't say anything. Koraba.
Right.
Yeah, this is almost sunset. This is 6:30 in the evening, and we see almost the sun going down here. This is low tide, and all the people are looking for shells or shellfish or clams, anything they can find for food. The boy is digging to find something. He's found some. These are copra. I mean the coconut flesh to be dried for later coconut oil. And as we go further, we see this lovely double-story hut. Down and up they are sleeping, right? They are sleeping upstairs. It's lovely, yeah? Upstairs they have got mosquito net just for sleeping. And downstairs this is the living room. Here in Abemama, and it's almost 7. So we see it will be gone down totally after 7. See the lagoon a little bit. It's low tide everywhere, and we go back to the sun. Really in Abemama, we are here at the Seventh-day Adventist Church, Calm Adventist High School in Abemama. And this is the... Okay, it's your turn, come on.
Okay, this is the
Map of Abemama.
yes, this is the map of Abemama.
Yeah. And the first days we made pictures where?
And
The first days, yeah, at the
first
tip.
days, we make pictures at the very
Okay.
north tip
Okay,
of the island,
yes.
and we live
The airstrip is over there.
near the airstrip here.
Yeah.
You can
Yes.
see the airstrip.
Yes,
live
but
here.
not very clear. Anyhow, I will make close-ups later. All right.
Yes.
And then we went down the whole island. Just show with
And
the.
this place here, where
No, don't show. We will make all again
yeah,
very correctly. Okay, we went down the
we
whole
went
road.
down the whole road up to the end.
To the end.
Yeah, to the end
Okay,
of the,
now
south.
now I make close-ups. Otherwise it doesn't work. Okay. Okay, you start. In Kenya,
In Kenya, we
I've
Take-
seen
we take pictures here of the herons
and the island Bike,
and
right?
the island of Peak.
Bike.
Yeah.
Yes, lovely. Okay, and then we went up.
We went up again and pictured some
Fishermen
Yes, the fishermen and the family,
and the family.
and we drink coconut here.
Coconuts there. Okay. Then we went over the footbridge.
We went over the footbridge.
Yes.
And we also picture trees, and then walking across it.
We
And
have seen
pictured-
this
we've
fisherman's
seen-
hut
Yes,
on
fishermen
the
had-
beach.
And since of the passage.
I see. Yes. Okay. Next.
And next we came to Kapangat, the village, the
Yeah.
first village in the south, and
We
pictured the
Double hut.
house, double
Double
hut,
Yes.
and the mangroves.
Yes.
Then here
Yes.
in Monaco,
Yeah, you don't forget we have the girls first or what? Yeah.
I see
The women. Yeah.
we met the girls returning from collecting
Yeah. Pandanus leaves.
pandanus leaves, and then
Yes.
picture them and left them, and we come across the other bridge
Yes.
here.
Yes. Right.
Uh,
Then we went up.
we went up and met a man cutting mangrove
Right. Yeah.
for his house,
Yes.
and picture him, and then went up again and pictured this.
I have another cross there. What is it? Yeah.
Yes, this is the burning coconuts.
Ah, we have pictured the burning coconuts.
Yes, the burned
The
coconuts.
woods. Yeah. Okay. Then
Then
up.
we go up again, and we cross the stone bridge,
Stone Bridge. Yeah. Right.
picture the pages, and then we came to another village in Tabanga.
Tebanga. This
And
was where we had this nice recess, this nice break with the
with
the teachers.
with the teachers and the school committee
Yeah.
members and
150
children.
for 5 teachers,
Yes,
and the teachers they were
5
there
teachers
because they were there because
of
the Minister of Education was there.
Yes,
That's why, because it was Sunday. Yeah.
it was.
Okay.
And then
these beautiful works of art, yeah.
Yes.
Then we went up,
and we went up again
yeah.
and came to the bridge.
Yeah, where the hotel is.
Yes, with the hotel.
And we have seen the stilt house. Right. Good. Then we came to the King's grave.
Yes, the King's grave, the Pinoka grave.
Pinoka grave. You show again, you show again.
This is the place where the grave is.
Okay, good.
Pinoka grave,
And then we went up.
we went up and did the double hut.
Double hut again.
Yes, near this village of Tareto.
Yeah.
And again, from which places? From this place here. Sorry.
Your mother, where was your mother, by the
yes,
way?
in this village.
Paratoa.
Yes, in
This
Parato.
was your mother, yeah?
Yes, where my
Lovely,
mother
yeah.
lives.
Good.
And from here, you took the picture of the those digging shells and the sunset.
Oh, I see. This was also there.
Mm.
I see. Right, okay.
And then we near this school, the SDA school.
STA
and-
school, yeah. Seventh-day Adventist school from America.
Yes,
We made the last pictures.
the last picture here.
Okay.
But before we come to this school, and you picture the sunset.
Or sunset.
Somewhere
Lovely.
around
Yeah,
here.
yeah, okay. In the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's say about our airstrip. We are living near the airstrip, yeah? We're going to make now some pictures from the place we are living, and there where there's the cross, we have pictured a couple of days ago fisherman's hut, another fisherman's hut. Yes?
This is the island
On
of
the
Footbridges.
yes, and then here at Teriki or what? The Teriki beach,
Yes.
and then the end. This little bay where there's a cross. This was where the stranded ship was. Yeah,
Yes,
compass
that's
rose.
Yeah.
And where's the other island? The other island, Western Passage. The
Yes.
other island is here.
This here.
Abasico
Abasico.
Island. We have always seen. Okay, now I just show again the whole atoll that they see again. It's the morning breakfast. We have every morning pancake and some coffee or some tea or some toddy, right? And as you all know, this is my friend.
How big is it?
Yes, it's good.
One is not for you, but 10.
And this is his wife. His wife. Yes, very good. Yeah. Very nice picture like this. So this is the hut where I was living these 5 days. And I was sleeping exactly on this mat. And you were always sleeping somewhere else, right? Huh? Boys. And who is this? She is what?
She's
Huh?
the
She doesn't need, she must say something or what? She doesn't need, this is not a picture.
under.
She must talk.
Yes,
She's so, this is always, the girls are all the same. When you tape them, they think I'm having a Canon or what, I don't know. Huh? Yes. Yeah, she is more natural because she knows already, yeah? No need to look into the camera. Yeah, good. Very good. Much better. Yeah. Okay. We are just right at the airfield. This is the airfield. The hut again. the airfield. In front we have got something like a kitchen, you know, where they put all the dishes and everything. And this is at the end of the airfield. The ocean side. Now this is a kitchen with a fireplace. What is she cooking? A pancake for the morning again. Oh, pancakes. Lovely. It doesn't matter. It's alright. Is it her baby? Is it her baby? Yeah. The well here? Just a moment. Yeah, a moment. With the coconut shade. She's getting the water. Good. Cocoa already? He has done all this? Okay.
Okay.
He is just smashing a coconut, dividing it in two parts. Now we've got the two parts. One moment. And he's going to take it out. Yeah? For taking out the coconut flesh. And this is curved, as we see. Can you turn it, please? Turn it. Yeah. This is the other side. And the other way around. He has put a handle. And this, he has done his own, yeah? Turn it around again. Yeah? Like this from the front. Okay, with this tool he's opening the coconut flesh. Okay, come on. Yeah. I don't. Okay, now slowly. Yeah, now you can see it easy. Very good. Yes. Oh, lovely. Now he's going up to make his hoodie, to change. This was overnight there. Friend coming down the coconut tree. Just come in front, doesn't matter. And then, yes. lovely. Koraba, eh? The reef of the ocean side. Many more waves over there. Here in the hut, and as we can see that we are really at the airport, just opposite. This is the airport building where my friend and airport officer Elia is working. Today is my flight to Aranuka. Just have a close-up of the international airport building of Abemama. You forgot to write down, eh? Abemama airport building or what, yeah? Elia.
Yes.
Breadfruit, a blossom, and breadfruit, which is not ripe yet. But we see on the left the blossom and on the right the fruit. Fruit here, breadfruit tree. It's very big, and we see behind the clothes which are hanging, we see the fisher nets too of the fishermen, but since the weather is bad, he cannot go fishing. Means is bad for the outside reef, yeah, for the Pacific Ocean. They don't go fishing or what?
They go fishing inside the lagoon also.
Yeah, but inside the lagoon is it rough too?
It's not as rough as the ocean side.
Yes. Okay. Babai pit and the roof where every evening the chicken goes sleeping. Now this is the babai. It must be done in the pit because of humidity. They put compost, you know. And it takes longer until they grow, huh? Eria,
Yeah.
it takes long until they grow what? How long does it take? Until they grow this size?
This size takes about one to 2 years.
1 to 2 years.
Yeah.
And the root is good? Then it's big? Or what do you eat almost from babai? You eat the root which is How many months old?
We can eat from 6 to 1 or 2 years.
From
And
6 months or 1 or 2 years of growth.
Yeah.
Lovely palm tree, and Geronimo is getting some coconuts down from this palm tree. That's good.
I think this bunch here is
Over there.
yes.
Ah, I see. It means these on the left side.
Yes.
Yeah, they look lovely.
For you.
Yes. You show slowly how you turn it, yeah? Yes. Very good. Maybe 3 to open, you know, the other way around, how to open. Okay. Lovely. Lovely. Can you show? Can you show? Yeah, it looks good. Very young ones, aren't they?
Yes.
Huh?
You need
Maybe?
older ones.
How old?
About this one's I think 4 months.
4 months old.
Yes.
Okay.
2 more months.
Yeah, need 2 more months to have more juice, but they are very nice. Lovely, yes. It's going up a quite high tree. I just show it shortly. It's quite high. Oh, he's going up already. It's very fast. Just 1 to show, you know, would be lovely. Or maybe 2. Can you take 2? Because we need 1 to show from one side and 1 from the other. Okay, lovely. Yes, lovely. This is the one, can you show from all the sides?
Yeah.
Yes? Now this coconut is old, how many months? 6 months maybe?
Yes, 6 months. Around 6.
This is a typical 6-month-old to how the people drink here, right?
Yes.
Good. And Geronimo, you're going to open this 2 ways, yeah?
Yes.
Okay? Thank you. We're going to open the 2 ways. They are 6 months old. Metal pole in the and show it very slowly maybe, yeah? This would be lovely, yeah? Like this, lovely. Very good. Lovely. So we almost see the inside. how you open. And I want, can you open one time with the big metal thing, yeah, to make a ring, and then the other way, the natural way, you know? This is, how do you make it now? The natural way with the three, yeah, okay, yes.
Maybe I just do it.
Yes, maybe you can do it like this, yeah. We see in the middle that we can, there's always, can you show? There's always one big hole. This is natural. And there's another one, yeah? Can you show this too?
The other one?
No, the natural hole, right?
Yes. 3.
And there are 3 natural holes, yeah? Can you show?
Yeah.
Where's the next one?
This here.
Here?
And this one. The 3rd.
And another there.
Yes.
Very well. Now this is the natural way how to open a coconut. Thank you. Open again. Easy, you always take a quarter, something like this, huh? Almost a quarter, huh? I see. And this is already done. On the top a little bit, and then the whole thing you can open, just the whole thing, and then it looks like this. Lovely. And this is, and that's it. Look, have a look into the camera. Yeah, lovely, yes. See, you're very nice. You were sweating, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, because in the sun. Thanks a lot, eh, Geronimo. Thank you. This. Now this is 6 months old, yeah, we said. And we see the lovely flesh. Lovely. It's a typical fisherman's head made out of leaves. And as we can see, it gives shadow until the chest. And if we see his face, his face is completely under the shadow. This is our fisherman, anyhow, and we see how the shadow goes. Yeah, the shadow goes, yeah, up to the chest. So don't see almost his face. This is from the coastline, maybe almost 1 kilometer. Then I just go turn around. This is the end of the airport. The ocean. Over there, the reef. This is a living coral reef, and we see how the waves are broken by this living coral reef. These are the breakers everywhere. The sea is quite rough. very riff, but it's too dangerous. And this is the other side of the riff. Say hello and sabo and thank you Koraba for everything. Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you. Now this is the hut where I was living. I see. Thank you very much. Koraba, for everything. Very good picture. Can she talk with the little baby? What? Every time the same. We know this. When they know that you tape them, they don't know. Okay. Ikoraba. And you too. Thank you very much. Thank you. You just went with me to the Reef, yeah? The trilander plane to Aranuka coming from Tarawa.